Okay, guys, the day has come. We are splashed back in the water and we are getting on board. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. Mick, what a day, hey?
What a day.
What a day. Let me take you on board. Come on, Gidgy. We're going back on Speranza. New bottom paint. Captain Chris did a great job. Oh my gosh. New water line. Oh, Mickey, this is... Are you shaking this, Mick?
No.
Okay. It's a floating dock, so it moves back and forth. Oh, so... Oh my God. Okay. We're gonna sail to a new marina and get our slip, so then we can start working on the water tank. But I am so happy to be back on the boat. Okay, more later. Hang on. Ah, we are on the boat and moving, right, Cap Chris?
Yeah.
Oh,
little hiccup there right at the beginning.
I know what happened. Tell everybody.
That was a little spooky. So we pulled out and got in the channel, and the engine just stopped. So we had to float there for a little bit with no power, which was a little
That's
worrisome.
scary because if you got no power, you can hit land, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we got it back on.
So yeah, the current was blowing. I mean, pushing us through there. So, but we got it started again. Now we're a little cautious with baby in the engine, which is probably not a good idea. But
Yeah, but she hasn't been on for what, 6 months?
Yeah, 5 months.
5 months.
That's all right. We're good now, hopefully.
Hopefully, but
so you see the next video.
Yeah.
Either on the side or under the water.
Or in another hotel. God bless America. Yeah, but here we go. Oh, here's my happy place. Now I just need a couple dolphins to jump up at me and we will be good to go. Oh, it feels so good, you guys. I can't even tell you. But we do have a problem with the autopilot. It's pulling weird, like the rudder, right, Bubby?
Yeah, it's kind of hard. So it won't disengage, which is not good. So you got to be able to control it. So, but we'll get that fixed.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm so happy.